25 factories. I believe with the grace of God, we will do that. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank the organizers, my sister Harriet, for working so tirelessly, and all the rest of the teams. Thank you very much. Indeed, we have seen the projects with our eyes. My final point is, let us buy Uganda, be Uganda for job creation and socio-economic transformation. God bless all of you.
Ladies and gentlemen,
and to ask Uganda to embrace the sector of tourism. The third sector is ICT, science and technology innovation. Why am I taking you all these sectors? Because I know the vision bearer who has liberated our country from and making our country.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Amanya Sheikh Isa Yusufu omusomi w'eddua wanebulenga ku mwenda nga nkola ku nsonga zonna omuntu z'obeera nazo omuli amalogo, omuli endwadde ezeetebwa amajinni, ebisiraani n'ensonga z'emirimu n'amaka. Abanneetaaze nkubira ku 07 51 7 89 99 oba 07 63 16 2 31. Sheikh Isa Yusufu omusomi w'eddua wanebulenga.
Not only has liberated our economy, our country, but has made us to be self-sustaining, and we are on a steady progress, and we must reach the promised line of getting our economy to 500 billion. Your Excellency, I would like to take this opportunity in a very honest way and from the bottom of my heart to thank General Salim Saleh. I want to ask everyone to clap for him. General Salim Saleh listens to you. If he did not listen to you today, we will not be talking about Kabete Industrial Park. He listened to you, that's why today we are talking about 30 factories. But Your Excellency, I want to thank you that you have not only started Kapeka, but you have started other 9 factories. With industrialization alone, Mr. President, you have created over 1 million jobs. Ugandans, let's clap for the General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
This is the Shungfei, making the patents. Opening for this factory. Now they've been running for this factory 6 years. Now they have the big tiles, marble tiles.
There we also do customization. We can try to your house with your face. That's what we call customization. And it's the leading factory now. So that's what we are and how we toilet factory is that.
Stand behind. Let's go.
This is Nana shoes, right? Nana? This is Nana shoes. This is all made here Kapeka. The plastic shoes.
Also sales company. All the sales made from their factory. And we have the farm. All this goods is produced from here. Yes, we process the farms and also the cleaning farming and also the rice meat flowers. This is the factory.
You're most welcome. Kapeka starts here now. International Men's
You're welcome. How are you? Yeah. Thanks for your advice and your guidance. And we have added about 50 products basing on macadamia. In Indiana, yes.
Move.
Museveni has arrived. Basebole banyabo nsaba Wetegeleze nti omukulembeze w'eggwanga Ssaabalwanyi
Gentlemen, a little bit backward. Okay, push. A little bit back.
Museveni atuuse. Tumuwubire alina akalulu saakanya. Mwali mu nyumba mwali. Akalulu ka President kaliwa. Ako ka chairman ow'ekyalo. Akalulu ka President kaliwa.
Start moving a little bit backward. Let's be moving backward. We are covering these people. Why are you rigid? Move a little bit backward.
Omukulu waali tewakyali kwegwalagwala, tewakyali kwebusaabusa. Omukulembeze nga bwe tuzze tumulanga waali. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, I take the honor and privilege of informing you that His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, has arrived.
Let's go a little bit
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have an
I don't want to
exciting
push anybody
moment
here.
with His Excellency, the President. Abantu bonna abali mu bikungu security abasabye muveewo
You don't even listen. Why don't you move? Do you want us to push you?
tuyambakalawo oba tukwasaganye abantu abo nga ne security nayo bwe tuyamba.
That's enough. Those who want to enter in, enter in.
Ladies and gentlemen,
If you don't
once again, I take the honor and privilege to inform you that he is here. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, is at the Napil Trade Show 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, it's also important for us to listen to the developer of our industrial park, Mr. Zhang. Yes, Mr. Zhang at some point will be talking to us. Ozakanjogera Oluganda mwami Zhang lwawulira. Musiga nsimbi omwami Zhang ajja kuba naye atubuuzaako katono atwenyule era bwe banneetambula wano ng'akola emirimu mu kapeeka mu industrial park. So basaba banyabo empologoma etuuse, omukulembeze w'eggwanga atuuse, ekifo ky'okutunula eno mwandibadde mutunula eri mu midaala gyali. Mukubeko eriiso abantu mubanyonyole mubagambe nti waali wenjogerera ali eyo atambula ayita mu ddaala ekyenjawulo. Basebo ne banyabo tubaaniriza nnyo, mwebale nnyo okujja. Ladies and gentlemen, you are warmly welcome to the Napil Trade Show 2024. Kakati DJ njagala onoonyeyo ennyimba ziri ezaffe, ennyimba mutuufu Ssaabalwanyi z'anaawuliranga naye zimuwa vibe, ennyimba z'anaatambula nazo mukawulawula. Okay? Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been duly informed that we are live on Salt TV. We are live on NBS TV, Next Media. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live on Sanyuka TV. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live omukulembeze w'eggwanga Ssaabalwanyi 001 President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ali eri midaala gy'asembera mpola. Ladies and gentlemen, the president is en route. Please get up on your feet. Let's give him a special welcome.
But they are sorting the color from here and produce this. And we have the farm, all this produced from here. Yes, we process the farms and also the cleaning farming and also the rice for meat flowers. This is the factory.
This is Nana shoes. This is all made here, Kapeka. The plastic shoes.
Also, sales company. All the sales made from their factory.